Hi, I'm Don Cottom of 323 Link, and I wanted to talk about some of the problems that currently our customers encounter in their current audiovisual classroom configurations. And there's a lot of problems there, and there's a lot of complexity, and faculty have problems using these systems. So let's just kind of go through the pros and cons of these rooms. First of all, dealing with that audio-visual rack of wires normally it's quite a mess back there in the back of a lot of these panels or a lot of these podiums. And what we're going to suggest here is a little bit unorthodox, but we think it's a better way of doing things. The other thing you're dealing with, obviously, is the projection system. So we're bottlenecking all of that technology into a projector that gets washed out from room light, and we have to replace bulbs constantly in. Plus, we have these complex switching systems. There's just inherently a lot of problems with today's smart classroom. And so, for instance, these touch panel controllers, well, we suggest we just get rid of that. These touch panel interactive whiteboard type panels that are at the podium, in many cases just don't get used, and so we'll just get rid of that as well. And then as you can see, even in this image, these washed out projection images, because of the room light, we just don't think that's a very good way to push that content. So, with that being said, what we're recommending is putting in large flat panel touch screens that give you the ability to do whiteboarding and give you the ability to bring in any source that you want. Also, they have built-in computer and built-in Android. So you have both your house computer and you have a whole other set of applications within the Android world. But in these rooms, we can actually add a lot of other applications. We can add video conferencing, video streaming, lecture capture, webinar features. The thing is, we get rid of the control system. We get rid of all the AV equipment in the rack. Everything is consolidated into that one big panel at the front of the room, anywhere from 70 to 86-inch type panels. Now, one big problem is some rooms are just too big for an 86-inch diagonal to support the room. So we recommend surround video. Quite simply, this is a display at the front of the room, which is our interactive touchscreen whiteboard. All of our electronics for our audiovisual experience are within that, and up to 4 devices can be shared wirelessly up there. So we can wirelessly share all our content, but we also have a hardwired connection that's at the wall for the instructor in case they want to plug in their laptop. Then we put in multiple displays on the side wall, and these are so the students in this area have a very good visual of what's going on, and students in this area up can now, just observe what's in front of them. Let's take that a step further, though. We get in a larger classroom, we just simply add more reinforced displays. Lastly, we add a very simple controller where when an instructor walks in, they hit the switch, turns on all the displays. When they leave, they turn it off, everything shuts off. We also have some unique room schedulers and other things I won't get into right now. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this concept. Please contact us if you have any questions. We really think this is the future of smart classrooms and classroom technology. Thanks.